I've been very happy with this carpet and fabric cleaner, so let me show you the basics of how it works. Here on the sides where you wrap up your cord, it has this convenient lever. You just twist either way and you can easily take off all of the cable. Here on the front is your dirty tank. You unlock it by lifting up this blue handle and then you just pull it straight out. You dump it out as needed and then just push it back in, lock it into place. On the back is where your water and cleaning solution go. So again, you just lift up and pull it out. And here it has lines saying water and then how much cleaning formula to add. So again, you just put it in and pull it down, super easy. Here on the side, you can move this lever up or down to unlock the hose. You just lift it out and unravel. This is one of the heads, and then this is the other one. This one has hard plastic little tongs here in the middle for tougher stains. So either one works. When you use it, when I turn it on, you just pull this blue lever and it shoots out water or your solution. And then you scrub the carpet and then pull it along the carpet as well, because up here in the top is where it sucks up the water and dries it out. So let me show you how it works. The on button is right here. I've been really happy with it and I really do feel like it works, and I've used it in my car and on my rugs. So it's a great little tool to have on hand.